Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Studio 6 Plano, Texas. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a pet-friendly. Featuring 2-star accommodations, Studio 6 Plano, Texas is located in Plano, a 14-minute walk from historic downtown Plano and 14 miles from Gerald J. Ford Stadium. With free Wi-Fi, this 2-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk. Guests can have a drink at the snack bar. Certain rooms have a kitchenette with a microwave and a fridge. Mockingbird Station is 14 miles from the hotel, while Preston Center is 14 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Dallas Love Field Airport, 21 miles from Studio 6 Plano, Texas. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.